Now I will show you how to prepare a latte macchiato. I will turn on the steam and warm up the cup. We will start the preparation with frothed milk. I'm going to pour cold whole milk up to halfway of the steam pitcher. And as soon as the steam is ready, I will move on to the frothing. Submerge the tip of the steam wand approximately a centimeter below the milk surface and start frothing. Once the foam reaches the top, the frothing is done, and we will pour the foam nicely into a cup right away. Clean the steam wand, turn off the steam and turn it on for a little while. We will clean the wand promptly with a wet cloth because it's important for the preparation of other macchiatos. It's crucial to have a clean wand because even a small remnant of old coffee can significantly influence the taste of the new coffee. Let's make the espresso. And pour it straight into the milk. We have prepared nice foam, and we are done.